Guys, I'm here at the airport and I was to board a flight from Indigo. I was heading to Jaipur where I have an event to Kota, and this Indigo staff, nobody is operative. This girl is trying to call the managing team from the past literally 10 minutes. They are not even.
Flight,
No, I have not missed my flight. My flight is still there and I have my luggage in my hand. I'm sitting right here, ma'am. It's not that I missed my flight. And they are not even listening. This is how Indigo staff responds. What is this behavior, ma'am?
Sir, there is a passenger.
She's not even making any calls. It's been 10 minutes and now she's speaking to somebody.
Yes, sir. She has reached the flight, then right now she wants to.
I have not missed my flight, ma'am. My flight is not even closed. You're still taking the luggage in front of me. You have taken like 20 bags in front of me. What is this behavior? There is no announcement which is even made कि एक इंसान के नाम से announcement हो that you can announce. आपने किसी के नाम से भी नहीं announcement करी है.
नहीं करा. Plenty of people are here. Plenty of people are here. आपने मनारा मैम के नाम से नहीं अनाउंस किया. एक कॉमन मैन के लिए भी होता है, वो बिग सेलिब्रिटी, आपको उनके लिए करना चाहिए था.
Ma'am, when I came, I was not here, but when I came, I saw.
5
Ma'am,
बजे का फ्लाइट है, अभी भी 15 मिनट है. आपको जाने देना चाहिए. कितने बैग यहाँ से गए मैम?
Ma'am, at least something you do. She is just gone. She's throwing so much of attitude.
Normal.
What is this behavior? What is this behavior, ma'am? What is this behavior? The flight is still here. मैं इधर खड़ी हुई हूँ. What is this behavior?
And she is serving to the country. She is actually serving to the country. This country. You cannot do this to her.
Ma'am, at least just be courteous enough to just at least consider the request. I have to reach Kota about it. This is such a cheap thrill that the flight is standing here. It's literally like 17 minutes which are still left. And these girls are literally like just talking nonsense that you cannot even let the passenger enter the flight. With like everything booked from seats to every damn bloody thing. This is how they are behaving. पता फ्लाइट वहां पे खड़ा है, किसी को जाने भी नहीं दे रहे. मतलब दिस इज सच अ रिडिकुलस थिंग. देयर इज नो अनाउंसमेंट मेड विद द पैसेंजर नेम, नथिंग एट ऑल, एंड दे से वी डोंट वांट टू डू दैट, वी डोंट encourage anything like that. What is this behavior? A person is sitting right here and you cannot even make an announcement, and a person can't even come there and say कि भाई यहाँ पे last flight है, passengers please board. What is this thing? They are now saying कि अब हमने फ्लाइट उड़ा दिया मैम 4:45 बजे ही, इसलिए हम आपको अंदर नहीं ले पा रहे. दिस इज द बिहेवियर विच एन एयरलाइंस इज हैविंग कि 5 बजे का फ्लाइट उड़ना था और ये लोग 4:45 बजे फ्लाइट उड़ा के बैठे हैं. एंड दिस द सेम एक्सपीरियंस हैपेंड टू मी व्हेन आई वाज देयर इन दिल्ली जस्ट like 3 to 4 days back. The same thing happened that the flight took off 15 minutes prior, and this is where they literally make the passenger pay extra money, and you have to wait for another 3 hours at the airport. This is the shit which is being done by Indigo and the aviation team, or whosoever is the concerned person, the authority from the aviation department who's concerned should look into it कि अगर 5 बजे का फ्लाइट है, आप पहले कैसे उड़ाते हैं, और हमेशा 15 मिनट आप फ्लाइटें पहले उड़ा रहे हैं, and passengers have to really bear the brunt of it.